In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download all of your OneDrive files to your PC step by step in the simplest way possible. Whether you're backing up important documents, moving files to a new computer, or just want an offline copy of everything in your cloud storage, this method will help you do it fast and without confusion. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to OneDrive Web. You can do this by typing onedrivelive.com into the address bar or by using the link in your browser if you already have it saved. Once the OneDrive page loads, sign in with the Microsoft account that contains the files you want to download. If you use the wrong account, you may not see the files you're looking for, so double check that you're in the correct OneDrive before continuing. After you sign in, you'll be taken to your OneDrive dashboard. From here, look for the section called My Files. This is where all of your stored files and folders are located. Now click into My Files so you can view everything that's currently in your OneDrive. To download everything at once, you need to select all items in the folder. On Windows, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. That will highlight all files and folders in the current view. If you're using a Mac, you can use Command+A instead. Once everything is selected, take a moment to make sure the full list is highlighted because this means OneDrive is ready to download everything in one action. Next, look at the top of the page for the download button and click it. OneDrive will now begin preparing your files. If you selected folders as well as files, OneDrive may package everything into a zip file before it starts the download. This is completely normal and helps your browser handle the transfer more easily. Depending on how many files you have, this part may take a little time, so be patient while OneDrive creates the download package. If your OneDrive account is large, the download may take several minutes or longer. In some cases, very large accounts may not download in a single zip file and may instead be split into multiple zips. That's why it's a good idea to make sure your PC has enough free storage space before you start. If your computer is almost full, the download could fail or stop halfway through. Once OneDrive finishes preparing the files, your browser should automatically begin downloading them to your computer. You'll usually see the download appear in the bottom bar or in your browser's download manager. After the file finishes downloading, you can open the zip file and extract it to access your files locally on your PC. If you need a clean backup, you can move that extracted folder to an external drive, another hard drive, or wherever you want to keep it safe. And that's it. You've now downloaded all of your OneDrive files to your PC. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it's a great way to protect your files and keep an offline copy available whenever you need it. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick how-to videos, and I'll see you in the next one.